Hey everyone, today I'm excited to talk to you about the fascinating and essential topic of communication. Communication is the foundation of our interaction, relationships, and societies. Whether verbal or nonverbal communication shapes us how we understand and relate to the world around us. What is communication? Communication is the process of sharing information, ideas, thoughts, and feelings between individuals or groups. This can occur through various channels such as speaking, writing, or body language. The most basic model of communication involves a sender, a message, a medium, and a receiver. Effective communication happens when the sender message is understood accurately by the receiver. Verbal communication. This is the most direct form where the information is conveyed through spoken or written words. Nonverbal communication. This refers to the messages we send through body language, facial expressions, posture, and even our tone of voice. Nonverbal cues can often convey more meaning than words themselves. The importance of communication. Communication is the foundation of all human relationships. It helps us express our emotion, understand others, and create meaningful connection with friends, family, and coworkers. When communication is clear, problems can be addressed more effectively, whether in a personal context or the workplace. Open lines of communication facilitate solutions to conflicts and challenges. Communication is much more than just exchanging words. It's about understanding and being understood. It's a skills that can be always be improved, and it is influence every aspect of our lives, from personal relationship to business success. By being mindful of the different types of communication, recognizing barriers, and effectively working to enhance our communication skills, we can foster more positive interaction and create stronger connection with others. Thank you for your attention.